Today we will be installing a new solution for select Hyundai Sonata models. The Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2013 with navigation, and the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid with navigation 2014 to 2015. This stereo installation kit is engineered to help you install a 4-inch tall double-din aftermarket radio into the original vehicle dashboard. This dash kit helps simplify radio replacement and is painted gloss black with silver trim panels to match the original look and feel of the vehicle's dashboard. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features the original factory radio couldn't offer. But this dash kit is required to make it fit. Stereo installation kit designed to fit any standard 4-inch tall aftermarket radio or ISO single-DIN radio provision with pocket 88-00-9004 sold separately. Painted black and silver to match the factory finish. Made from the highest quality ABS plastic for an original factory-like fit and finish. Includes mounting brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. Note: factory climate control temperature and fan speed display will be lost. A tech support number is available for installation help 7 days a week. If you'd like to see the full installation video, click the link on the description below. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.